how to create a round image corner in Canva. So let's get started. So if you also want to create a round image from Canva, here's what you need to do. So first head over to your any of your favorite browser and simply log into your Canva account. And I will simply select any of the random templates for now. So since I've already used image in this here, you can basically click on this upload section from your uploads to directly upload your photos over here. And as you can see, currently my image is rectangular, completely rectangular, which means it has sharp edges in all of those sides. So what I'll do is simply head over to elements and simply search in for friends. So now all I have to do is just click on the see all and look for the round corner frame. So I will select it for my resolution type of image, so which is probably gonna be this. And as you can see, you may have noticed that it has round corners in each of its four sides. Now I'll simply drag and drop the images like this, and it will automatically sync and crop to it. And you can actually readjust the position of the image just like this by enlarging or decreasing the size as well. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.